What's going on, guys? I know. I'm not outside. I'm inside right now for an intro. That's good. And who's here? Oh my God, it's a Bo.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
It's a Bo. Oh my God, it's almost as rare as a rough green snake. Sorry, Eastern hognose. Timber?
For you, yeah.
Oh. Bo didn't have to go to work till, what time? 9?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So he's got some.
9 o'clock on a Saturday.
He's got some time to hang out. So, I don't know what we landed on doing today, but it's gonna be good. So if you guys know that, if you don't know, Bo has a YouTube channel, and I'll leave that link in the description. But if you're a fan of his More Than Wonderings and you wanted to see what the behind the scenes is like, that's literally it. He put out the camera and started doing the More Than Wonderings. I was like, I feel special. I edit these all the time, but now I finally get to see it behind the scenes. Alright guys, time for the big unveil. We are at Petsmart. That's right, we are considering possibly buying a snake today as a pet. We just don't know what kind we're gonna get.
Them?
Huh?
Did you tell him?
Yeah, I told them, because we're here. They're gonna know. Little bearded dragons. Oh, you like the camera. He's conceited. You can't get a conceited pet.
Consider conceited if you're good at it.
That's true. Well, that was a bust. Petsmart Knoxville, or not Knoxville, Oak
We're in Oak Ridge.
Petsmart in Oak Ridge. You don't have jack for pets at all.
You've been to Derpland.
Stop number 2. Hopefully this one. I know the one in Lexington always has a really good variety of stuff. The only place that only sells feeder mice, so we'll see. Well, I was wrong. Tennessee, when it comes to your pet selection, you don't have jack. They have one snake. It's a Brooks king snake, which we can't see. And then there's a tortoise down there.
Oh my gosh. He's a sweetheart.
So, we're gonna check out one more spot, but we were talking and that, was it a Brooks king snake? Like, I wish I had shown you guys the king snake. Like, it's got a solid black, like, belly, and oh my goodness, she just looks so adorable. And she's got a little temper too, like rattling that tail and just like poised and ready to go. Like, but
Reminds me of my ex.
listen.
Except for the snake was cuter.
All right, Pet Land. Let's see if they have anything better. Number 3.
What?
All right, so that place really wasn't even worth showing you. So we're gonna get some food. We're gonna buy a
Can
king
you believe
snake.
the prices?
I know. We're gonna get some food and buy a king snake. Oh, wait till you guys see this thing. All right, we're back. We're gonna get this king snake, but I'm not gonna show it to you guys till we get home. I'm sorry. All right, guys, here she is. Bo,
Huh.
you ready for the unveil?
Oh, yeah.
Booksy?
Mm-hmm.
King snake? Look at her. She's a little temperamental. Look at that belly. Look at that. Now we don't have a name for her. Why is it all snakes love the camera? But look at that belly. That's what sold me. Was that belly? It's female. And it's king snake. A Booksy king snake. So we have our cage and stuff right there. So we are going to get her set up in that. But in the meantime, we need a name for her. So we're going to try to come up with one, but we need your all's help too to kind of come up with one. So let me know in the comments. She is beautiful. Super curious. What do you think?
I love her.
And she feels, you can just feel like she's all muscle, just right.
She's nothing but muscle.
Nothing but muscle. Heck yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get this set up and I'll show you guys what we got set up afterwards. Alright, so we've set up this for her. We got a rock out of the yard, just a little rough for her to kind of rub against whenever she wants to shed her skin. Something for her to hide on, a little water dish. Then we got a nice little flat rock right there for her. Probably gonna put like right in there so she has a good little place to warm up. I'm sure she's gonna hide under too. So we just got it done saying, what'd you say?
Who would have thought I'd ever be washing and drying a rock?
Alright, time to let her check out her new spot. Oh. Really?
Yep, that's me.
Remember first time holding the snake?
That's your mouth.
She looks like she's right at home. It's gonna take her a minute to kind of get used to everything, but pretty sure we got her pretty well set up.
Come out.
I mean,
right now.
Not right now, but you're gonna get these heating lamps on there and get those adjusted. Alright, well we got it set up. We got our night light on after day. Rock's in there and she is chilling. Not really checking out the spot at all. She's just kind of already found a nice little cozy spot to hide. I figured she'd like the rocks right here out of the yard rather than just that thing. So, but yeah. Pretty little girl. Bo's heading off to work, and I'm gonna get to doing some editing. That's gonna do it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, leave a comment letting us know a good idea for a name for our little king snake pet, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Now to have a king snake as a pet, that's awesome. Alright guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, one last thing real quick. I just looked it up. Turns out they had the label wrong or something at the pet store, or spelled wrong. It's not a Booksy king snake, it's a Brooks king snake, which is a subspecies of a Floridian king snake, I'm pretty sure. I'm looking up a lot of stuff about them, but yeah, it's a Brooks king snake, so just to clarify.